Hey guys, ArchieLuxury, and today guys I want to focus on the positive. Today I had a FedEx parcel arrived for your pontiff, and this was I'm not going to say, let's open it up. This is from a very special guy who he's a huge Patek Philippe lover, just like myself. I love the Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. I really do love my Grand Classique from the Patek Philippe. So just open this baby up. Open her up, baby. Open this baby up. He's he's a really cool guy. He loves my Patek obsession. He is somebody who understands the love I have for Patek Philippe. It's really the meaning of life. Now that we're coming to the end, it's all going to fucking die from coronavirus. I can tell you, it's all about Pateks and pussies, and you know that is the meaning of life. There is no other reason for it. Whilst I'm doing this, I'm wearing a Patek Philippe 6006. It's a bit of an oddball Calatrava, but I actually love it. I think it's a cool Calatrava. I think the Calatrava series is just, it's proper Patek. I mean, the Nautilus, the Aquanaut, that's for poses. That's for poses. Oh my God! 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 This is from my good friend John Reardon. Oh my God! Oh my God! Collectability! They got me the collectability cap! And you know what that thing on the front is? That's the ellipse. The ellipse logo. Oh, Patek! Oh, what a lovely cap. And it's also got a key ring. A key ring. Look at that. Beautiful. Collectability. This is the collectability cap. That's a ellipse. I love the ellipse, man. I always loved the ellipse. What have we got in here? What else have we got? Jesus Christ. Oh, let's have a look. Oh! 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 Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Da-da-da-da! Look at this. Collectability, the t-shirt. Man, that is fucking beautiful. That is beautiful. Collectability, the t-shirt with the Patek references on the back. And you can buy these t-shirts from the Collectability website. Yes. See, 1518, that was the first Patek Philippe perpetual calendar chronograph. $24.99 classic perpetual calendar chronograph. $39.70 Lamania perpetual calendar chronograph. $59.70 perpetual calendar chronograph, and $52.70. Ah, my God, what a lovely. And we got another gesture here. Look at this. Da-da-da-da. My God, in the world of coronavirus. Look at this. He gave me an autographed card from Collectability. Dear Paul, thanks for bringing a smile to my face during these crazy times. You were cool as fuck. Thanks. What a cool guy, man. And oh my God, Patek Philippe. This is the Bible on marketing. Patek Philippe in America. This is the coffee table book by John Reardon. My God. Oh my God. This is the this is the Bible. The Bible. I wanted this book so badly. It's a very beautiful. And I said to him, please sign it inside. I said to him, please, 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 please sign inside. Wow. Oh, limited first edition. Fuck. 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 This is absolutely, the book is amazing. It is an amazing book, which it is absolutely amazing. It tells you Patek Philippe in America. Oh my God. This is, because that's the golden period. Look at, oh my God. I wanted this book so badly. It's considered the, oh my God. Oh my God. Look at these. Oh, look at that. Rita, I want a world time. I want one of these. Oh my God. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. The Patek Philippe Club. Oh, look at that. Mr. Henry Stern. Wowzers. Look at this. My God. What a wonderful, 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 wonderful. I love it, man. This is so cool. Patek Philippe in America. This is the bar. I wanted this book. I really wanted this book. These Patek cigarette lighters are worth a fortune. They're about $25,000 now. Very. Oh my God. I love this book. Man, it's a Bible. I mean, I don't know what to say. One of my absolute Patek gods, John Reardon, has sent me. Man, this is absolutely, the book is incredible. I just can't stop looking at it. Oh my God, it's got the old brochures printed. Oh my God, this is very, 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 very well done. That's from John Reardon. What a cool guy. What a cool guy. Absolute lovely. He sent me this, man. I don't know what to say. John, that's an absolute honor. An honor. This will take pride in my Patek Philippe collection. Patek Philippe in America, marketing the world's foremost watch. John, I am touched and humbled in these troubled times. Your generosity. You are a very, very cool guy. Very cool guy. Check out his site, Collectability, man. I love the t-shirt. I love the t-shirt. Look at that, man. That is so damn cool. Oh, look at that. The Patek references. I mean, I've got to tell you, man, that is incredibly cool. Incredibly cool. And, yeah, that's the way to go, man. What a very, 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 very cool gift for the Pontiff. I'm honestly touched. This is, I just can't believe this, man. This is so cool. He's such a cool guy. My God. I love it. I absolutely love it. Look at this. Patek Philippe cap. And a Collectability keyring. Man, this is lovely. Very lovely there. Very lovely. So, John Reardon, I love you, man. Thank you so much. You're a cool guy, man. I'm gonna have to. I feel, man. I love the Patek, man. I'm making this vid here. I've been a bit down with the Corona, and I got my little Calatravas here playing with my 6006. They're just for comfort, you know, moral support. I love my Patek Philippe's. I love these Pateks. I love Patek Philippe's. I love them, man. Absolutely love my Patek Philippe's. So, John, thank you so much, man. You really a gentleman and a scholar. And he wrote the book. He wrote the book. He wrote the book. And what a cool guy. Very, 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 very cool. So, John, thank you so much. I'm very humbled, and I appreciate your kind, very, very kind gesture. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury. And who do I recommend in America? In America, who do I recommend for quality pre-owned wristwatches? David SW, David SW, David SW. Go to davidsw.com. He is the best, the greatest pre-owned dealer in all of the United States of America. David SW, David SW, David SW.
Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, once again, Mark Goldberg for ArchieLuxury AC3, the Pontiff Satan de Ville. I want to sincerely thank you for having sat through this video, because I know it was awful, but you know what? You do it for the greater good of humanity. Thank you so much. Now, a couple of quick pieces of homework. Now that you've watched this video, I would like you to hit thumbs up. If you must, hit thumbs down, but if you'd hit thumbs up, I would especially appreciate it. Go ahead and leave a really nasty comment and tell him how awful this content was, but most importantly of all, the entire reason that I am linking up with ArchieLuxury in the first place. I am a published author. Let dogs be dogs. Available in bookstores, Amazon, and electronically somewhere near you. Remember, ArchieLuxury. He's not just a figment of your imagination.